Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. I'm so glad you came back. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you're old, keep staying old. Today I have a quick Dollar Tree haul. A couple things that I had picked up from my last haul that I didn't have a chance to show you. So if you want to see what I picked up, stick around. Okay, I am back. I found a couple things. I don't remember what I picked up, but I'm not going in any kind of order. So I saw these. I almost picked these up again. Actually, I'm going to give this a try. Excuse me. This is the Scrub Buddies 360 degrees fibers pick up dirt and hair, and it has 3 pieces. I thought it had 3 of the dusters, but it has 2 dusters and it has 1 handle. So I had picked it up because I have something that I could put it on that has a handle. So I'll let you know how that works. I've not tried that before, and if you have and you liked it, let me know in the comments below. I saw this frame. I only saw one, and it's a 3 1/4 inch frame. I thought it was so pretty. I'm going to try to find a cute picture to put in it and put it in my closet. In my mind, I want to redo my closet. And my husband's like, why? Nobody's going to see it but you. I said, well, yeah, but when I go in there, it'll look nice. So it's just got too much stuff in it. I want to kind of make it pretty. Next thing, cleaning wise, I picked up this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Original. It has 1 pad in it. So I'm going to use that in my bathroom. Let's see, related to cleaning, I picked up the nail guard sponges. Remember I told you they were out last time, and there's 6 in there. And I really like these. They work well. And it's by the Scrub Buddies. So I picked up 2 on this trip. And what else? I picked up another pack of these. I like these. So this is the mesh strainers. It's a 2-piece. One is 2 3/4 inch, and one is 4 4/4 inch. So you'd be surprised. They pick up a lot of crumbs and dirt and whatever you have that you put in your sink. So you'd be surprised if you don't have one of these, all the junk that could be going down in your sink. So I got that again. And I picked up, let's see, I think that's all the cleaning stuff. I hear some glass. Okay, I think I know what that is. This is girly, but I got it for my grandson to help him with his reading comprehension. It's Disney. Reading comprehension, it's adventures in learning. Reading made fun, engaging activities, sharpen reading skills. And so, there you go. They got one for time and money, the alphabet, and phonics and reading. But the reason I like this, I just glanced in it real quick. On one side it has a story. On the other side it has questions. So I will be having him work in that. He's not going to be happy, but it'll help. I was not going to get this book, but then I looked in it and I thought about it, and I said, I'm going to get this. Because I grew up in Maryland, and this one is called Love is All Around Maryland. So that's why I picked it up. I thought it was pretty, and it talks about different places in Maryland. And so I kind of like that. So I picked that up. And then I could get my grandson to read it. Okay, let's see what else I got. Alright. Okay, remember I told you I was looking for these around Christmas, and they only had 1. Well, I found some more, but I'm not going to take them all out. Let me see if I can feel. I think I picked up 5, maybe. Yeah, I picked up 5. I already have 1, so that makes 6. I don't know if I'm going to get more. I'm going to use them for this Halloween craft. You know, I'm always thinking about Halloween and Christmas. That's what I usually craft on. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget, peace and chicken grease, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.